Hello guys, welcome to my another video. You will definitely like it. The title is Motorcycle Accident Attorneys Near Me or Motorcycle Attorneys Near Me. So, how to find the best motorcycle lawyer near me? Motorcycles have represented the free spirit mindset ever since Canned Heat released its class song back in the late 1960s. Even today, Geico leverages the free-spirited power of motorcycle. It's going up the country commercial. On the other hand, motorcycles can also be a dangerous means to demonstrate your free spirit. If you suffered injuries that you were caused by a motorcycle accident, you might be eligible for compensation because of the negligence of the driver of the other vehicle. Even if negligence did not play a role in the crash, you still need to be a file claim with your insurance company, which may be less than willing to pay out what you are owed. Hiring an experienced motorcycle accident attorney can help you get the compensation that you deserve and the means to move on with your life. If you or someone you know has experienced such an accident, you can complete a free no risk case evaluation to get more information for your next steps. Here is free case evaluation. Tell us about your situation so we can get started fighting for you. We tailor each case to meet our client's needs. First name, last name, phone number, zip code, email, car accident, what's happened, and then submit. FAQ. Morgan and Morgan. Why are motorcycle accident different from auto accident? Motorcycle accidents often cause more serious injuries than the accidents that involve automobiles. The lack of a protective vehicle body as well as absence of safety airbags makes motorcycle riders more vulnerable to severe injuries. Because of severity of motorcycle accident injuries, settlements tend to be higher than they are for auto accident victims. Crashes that involve motorcycles also present different legal issues than those faced by automobile drivers and passengers. Certain factors such as protective gear can influence a civil lawsuit filed by a motorcycle accident lawyer. Proving negligence is also a different legal matter compared to proving negligence in a car accident case. Consult with one of the personal injury attorneys at Morgan and Morgan to determine the best course of legal action for your motorcycle accident cases. What are the most common types of motorcycle accident? The same factors that cause auto accident also come into play for motorcycle riders. Distraction is a frequent cause of motorcycle accidents, from testing and driving to reaching for a bag of food that is sitting on the front passenger seat. Dangerous road conditions play a role in causing motorcycle crashes. especially wet and icy pavements. Here are the four most common types of crashes that involve motorbikes. There is single motorcycle. This is where poor road conditions come into play. Motorcycles are much more likely to sideswipe because of wet road conditions. Riders that get involved in solo accidents might have a strong enough case against a public works agency that failed to maintain a safe road and highways. Left turn. Distraction is the common frequent reason for this potentially deadly type of crash. A left turn accident unfolds when the rider of the motorbike moves into left turn lane and oncoming vehicle enters the same lane at the same time. The rider does not complete the left turn fast enough. Oncoming vehicle can produce serious, even life-threatening injuries. Rear end. Getting hit from behind can send a rider several feet forward onto pavements. As with rear end auto accident, the driver of the vehicle that rear-ended a motorcycle rider is typically found at fault for causing the crash. Under the influence, all drivers have to watch out for drivers that operate a vehicle while under the influence of drugs and or alcohol. However, motorcyclists face potentially much more serious injuries because of the lack of protection. The personal injury lawyer at Morgan and Morgan fight hard for just compensation our client deserve because of drunk driving accident. Factor to consider before hiring motorcycle accident lawyer. The process of finding the best attorney to handle your case requires you to consider the several factors before making a decision. Location. Answering the question how to find the best motorcycle accident lawyer near me is important because location matters. You want your legal counsel to be licensed to practice law in the state where you live. However, it might not be feasible to hire an attorney near you. Let's say you live in St. Charles, Missouri, and you took your motorcycle for a spin across the Mississippi River into Illinois. A car rear-ended you at the spotlight in Fairview Heights. You do not want to contact the best motorcycle accident lawyer in St. Charles. Instead, you need a lawyer who is familiar with the Illinois personal injury statute. Specialty. Many law firms and attorneys that operate their practice handle a number of different types of legal cases. For example, a law firm might have a team of attorneys that litigate employment, criminal defense, and personal injury case. When it comes to your motorcycle accident case, you want to work with a state licensed lawyer who specializes in handling motor vehicle accident cases. Ask every attorney on your shortlist how much of their time they devote to handling motorcycle vehicle accident cases. Here is experience. An experienced lawyer who has 4 years complied record helping clients just compensation on motorcycle accident case is good choice to handle your case. Even if a lawyer has more than 10 years of experience, that does not mean that the 10 years of experience lead to favorable outcomes for the most clients. If you liked my video, then also subscribe. Thanks.